Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now we'll continue with our work. Yesterday we have learnt about types of maps, different types of maps, that is political, physical and thematic. Okay, for political, countries, states and cities. Physical, that is mountains, plains, plateaus, rivers, in that easily we can find out. And then fourth is thematic, that is to find out the forest and the soil. Okay, now these three types of maps already explained you why we will use. It is easy for us to find out the place, right? Now suppose if all together the maps are there, then you will not understand, it will be mess and you won't be able to find out the place properly, and it is difficult for us. Nowadays we are having GPS also in your mobile, so whichever place, generally if you find out the place also easily you can find out from your mobile phone, but still if you are traveling fast you need a map, right? So this three maps also we can take and go or travel. Okay, now today we'll learn about block 21, using of maps and globe. S4, yeah, S4, reading a map. Now how to read a map? Yesterday I showed you little in thematic map. Okay, some hints I gave. Now we'll go in detail here. Now able to read a map by identifying its basic features. Now the basic feature is how, see this elements of map. Please see the board, children. First is title. Title is heading, like see using maps and like that way, heading or lesson you can say heading. Which place, soil or forest or whichever, that way. Then compass. Compass is directions, north, south, east, west. Where we are going, traveling, whether we are going to north or south, west or east. Then legend is that how to identify with the colors. Okay, which place where. And then scale. Scale is how many kilometers we are traveling. 40 kilometers. If it is local here and there, sometimes you will say also, teacher, I went somewhere park, that park was very far, it was 80 kilometers or 100 kilometers. We went for a picnic or like that way. Or somewhere, some places when you go to other states, there they have how much? They are having so many kilometers, 5,000 kilometers, 10,000, whatever it is. So that is kilometer, that is a scale. How many kilometers we are traveling. Okay, now I will read the reader and then I will explain you from workbook. Map is there one, that will read, how to understand. That I will. I hope you understood, children. Just see my board. Open your reader, page number 132. Features of a map. To read a map, we must understand its features. See this, it is in flowchart. Features of maps. First is title, compass rose, legend or key, colors and symbols, scale. Now here, title. This tells us, just now I explained you, but I'll read the lesson. This tells us about the place shown on a map. The place shown on the map. You can see this. Okay, this is example. Very good map this is. Easily we can understand. Compass rose A map has a picture with arrows showing the north, south, east and west direction. Directions we have already learnt in 3rd class. You know the direction, north, south, east and west. This is called a compass rose. Sometimes a map only has an arrow showing the north. Sometimes only they will show only one arrow only, north side. Always you know that this is red, this is on north side. So after that you will understand north, south, east, west. Okay, you understand? Now legend or key. It is a list of the color and symbols used on a map. It tells us what each of the colors and symbols means. For example, the color blue represent water and yellow represent plains. Yeah, see, blue water and yellow plains. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is legend here. You can see this. Rainforest, see this color, green color, tropical. With this color we can identify, see how much it is. This much part, this area is so much. This green is so much here, dark green is what? Rainforest. This is all rainforest. All dark green. See how much? This much only. Where? Near. Understood, no? So then only we can identify, other we won't be knowing. Then other scale. This tells us about the distance between two places on the map in relation to actual distance. That is distance, that is kilometers. This is a scale down. See. East, 72 east. Okay, this is east, west, wherever, whatever it is. The degree, this is north degree. So like that way, this is the scale. Okay, kilometers also we can say this. Now children, take out your workbook. This is very easy, children. If you understand, you can. It is very important, children, because this will help you lifelong, okay, and for high school also. So whenever you travel also, you can understand. You can see from you can find out from your phone also. Now S for reading a map. Okay. Now study the map and fill in the table. Now this is the map of Rajasthan. Only that is a railway map. This is a railway map. Here Rajasthan, see in India map, Rajasthan is here. So that particular state only he is asking. Okay. Now in this, see this map, children. So many places are there in that. Punjab, Ganga, Gagannagar, and then Sardar Hafiz, Ratnagar, Bikaner. So many places are there in that. Okay, names are there. Now what we have to do is, this is railway map. For railway, na children, you always, to find out the railway, it's very easy. Two lines are there, some lines are there. You'll see railway tracks, how it is lined. That is the symbol. Now I'll read this. Now see, this is the legend. Here, see, this is international boundaries. See this dashes, children, small dashes. It is there in your reader. Please read this map. Then little dark dashes, state boundaries. They are little dark means state boundaries are there. The small thin dots are district boundaries. Now like that it is. Okay. Now railway, you can see this. Two lines and some dark thing like square it is. And this is circle is major towns. Okay. Round is a major towns. Now first question. Question 1. Which state is shown in the map? Which state shown in the map? Answer is Rajasthan. Now element of the map is title. Okay. Then what does the map shows? Railway. Railway map. Answer is railway. Again title. This is comes under elements of map. No, I showed you on the board elements of the map. That is title, legend, compass, and scale. Then third one. What do the dot shows? This dot shows the major towns. Legend. See, dot major towns, big towns. Then which place is north of the Jalar? Kishangarh. That is a compass. With the compass we came to know. Then fifth one, which place is south of Udaipur? That is Durgarpur. Here, Durgarpur. Compass. That is in compass. That is north side. Okay. Okay. Then Udaipur. Which place is the south? He is asking south, no? Compass is Durgarpur. Then sixth one, can you find the distance on the ground from this map scale? No. From here we don't know because there is no scale only. So how will know how many kilometers? So you have to write no. Then what type of map is this? This title and thematic. This is thematic, no? Thematic map. Okay. Now you understood? One time I will show you. Read the map, children. If you read the map slowly, you will understand. Write everything, children. Write neatly.